Okay, ready now? So first tell me, you all, do you know about all the formulas of number system, polynomial? Okay? Let others to join because I have given the time for 7. It's now 6:55. Okay? Let them to join, then after we'll start. Yeah, good evening everyone. So am I audible? Everyone, tell me. So we will start our class soon. Okay? Wait for 2-3 minutes, then after we'll start soon. So as you know, we are going to discuss 4 chapters. Basically, it is not possible to discuss all the formulas, but while solving, basically we will solve your what questions. Okay. So while solving question, what we will do, we will also discuss the concept. You do one thing, log that one. Okay. While solving, we will discuss the all concept based on the question. Okay, approximately there are 50 questions are there. Okay, it will take 3 hours to complete, I think, approximately. Okay, some question will do faster, which one is required, like MCQs and all. Okay, the easy questions will do faster, and those who are attending online, you can what back and you can check that. Okay, chalo. So we'll start soon, within 3 minutes. Within 3 minutes. Okay. Yeah, good evening, everyone. Good evening, good evening, Vijay Lakshmi. Who is there? I think that. Okay, okay. Let it open. Okay, ready, everyone? Okay. So as you can see, what we are basically going to discuss this 4th chapter, that is in number system, polynomials, linear equation, Heron's formula. So we are going to discuss means we will discuss questions based on this, as well as while solving the question we will discuss which one, the concept. Okay, take. Okay, let us start. So let us see the first question. Okay, everyone ready? Online? All are ready? Okay, chalo. Let's start our first question right now. Is there anyone outside? No one else. Only she is there. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, so we will start now our first question. Our first question, Bacho, comes from, that is from Heron's formula. Okay, so see the question and let us solve together, right? So, but before coming to the Heron's formula question, you should know about which one. The formula is based on Heron's formula. Okay, come. You close the. Priyansu is there? Okay. See, solve the question, everyone. We'll start also together. Solve karo. So shall we start? Right? Ready? Solved. Over. Now check whether this is coming from Heron's formula. Heron's formula means basically you should know what is perimeter, semi-perimeter and area of triangle. Who can say what is perimeter formula? Perimeter of a triangle. Perimeter of triangle. So perimeter means sum of three sides. Let us, this side is A, B, C. Perimeter would be A plus B plus C. Semi perimeter is what? What is semi perimeter? P by 2, that is A plus B plus C by 2. And area by Heron's formula, you know, that is square root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Okay, let us solve this question. So this question is here given the difference between the semi-perimeter, and the sides of triangle ABC are 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 2 centimeter respectively. Then what is the area of the triangle? Okay, now what is given here? It is given this, what is this 3, 4, 2? Yeah. No, it is the difference between the semi-perimeter and their respective sides. What are the sides we have taken? A, B, C. So therefore, this 3 is bacho S minus A. S minus A is 3 and S minus B is how much? 4 and S minus C equals to 2. This is given. Understood, everyone? Okay. Now tell me, everyone, if I'm adding, there are three equations: equation number 1, equation number 2, equation number 3. Now what is question asking? Question is asking for find the area of the triangle. We, for area of triangle, you know, we have S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, but we don't have what? S. We don't have S. So what we have to do for that? So we have to find S. How will find? We have to add these three equations. Right? While adding, what will happen? Check karo. S minus A plus S minus B plus S minus C equals to how much? 3 plus 4 plus 2. How much? 9. So therefore, bacho, I can write now S plus S plus S is how much? Minus A plus B plus C by taking common from these three, or if you elaborate, so it will become 3s plus minus A minus B minus C equals to 9, which implies 3s minus A plus B plus C equals to 9. So we have taken common what we have taken common? Minus we have taken, not S, minus, right? So now tell me, bacho, what is the value of this question? Tell me. 3s minus A plus B plus C is how much? No, A plus B plus C is perimeter. But perimeter kya hai bacho? 2 times of S. You know na, perimeter equals to what? 2 times of semi-perimeter. So now tell me, I can write na 3s minus P equals to 9. A plus B plus C is what? P. So this implies 3s minus P kaun hai? 2s equals to 9. Hence, S equals to how much? 9. Though we have got now S. Now which one we have to find? We have to find bacho area. We have to find area of triangle. What is area of triangle formula? Area of triangle kya hai? S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, which is under root. Yes or no? So S value kya hai? 9 into S minus A is how much? 3 into S minus B is how much? 4. S minus C is how much? 2, which is under square root. Yes, everyone? Clear? So now tell me 9 value kya hai? 3 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2, which is under square root. So the value, how many pair of 3 are there? One pair. So 3 and other one is root 3 and into 2 root 2. So the answer is how much? 6 root 6. Which option is correct? Check karo everyone. Which option is correct? Okay. Don't write only option. Solve karo everyone. Okay. Solve and write the answer. Okay. Is this over everyone? Chalo फटाफट solve करो. Clear? Online? Yeah. Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Okay. Over. Clear. Clear. Got everyone? Those who have got, you can text me correct answer. Those who have solved themselves. Okay. Everyone. Take. Shall we move to the next question? Ready, everyone? ठीक है. चलो. Let us move to the next question. Over, everyone. ठीक है. So the next question is this. It is from which chapter? Who can say? It is from number system. Which part? Exponent part. Right? Laws of exponent we have to use. Let us solve and tell me what is the answer. Solve karo, everyone. See, now it is given simplified 2 to the power n plus 4 minus 2 into 2 to the power n whole divided by 2 into 2 to the power n plus 3. Right? So see what you can take common, how can you use laws of exponent, right? Do you know bacho laws of exponent, that is a to the power m plus n is what? A to the power m into a to the power n. And okay, but this one only has been used, this law only used in this question. Okay, by help of this law you can solve this. Try karo fatafat. Let us see which one is the correct answer. Question is given like this: 2 to the power n plus 4 minus 2 into 2 to the power n all divided by 2 into 2 to the power 7 by 8. Okay, let us see. 7 by 8. Okay, check karo now. So see here, this is 2 to the power n plus 4. A to the power m plus n. Relation kya hai? What is a to the power m plus n? A to the power n plus n kya hai? A to the power m into a to the power n, right? So now tell me 2 to the power n plus 4 ka relation kya hai? 2 to the power n into 2 to the power 4, right? Minus 2 into 2 to the power n. This is power how much? 1 divided by, here also 2 multiply 2 to the power 1 into 2 to the power n plus 3. How can we write? N into 2 to the power 3, right? Now see, on numerator there are two terms. On numerator there are two terms, but in denominator how many terms are there? How many terms? Do you know? Okay. So here 2 to the power n, 2 to the power n is common. So let us take common 2 to the power n. So from first term, it is left 2 to the power 4 minus 2 to the power 1 divided by 2 to the power n into how much? 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4, right? So 2 to the power n is cancelled, bachu. 2 to the power n is cancelled. So which equals to 2 to the power 4 is how much? 2 to the power 4 is 16 minus 2 by, it is how much? 16. So that is 14 by 16. If we'll cancel by 2, 7, it is 8. 7 by 8 is the right answer. Right? Not everyone. Bolo. Solve kar do. Solve kar do immediately, everyone. Fatapat. Okay, so while solving question, beside write which means which laws or rules applied here, right? So like we have written here a to the power m plus n equals to a to the m into a to the power n. You can easily recognize the formula or the concept. Okay, check. Chalo, over. Solve karo immediately. Solve karo. Yeah, going on. Everyone, tell me. Online, going on the everything correctly. Chalo. Check. Let us move to the next question. How are you people? What happened? Why you are silent? Do you know na? Huh? This formula laws of exponent, you know? Yes. Okay. Chalo. Let us move to the next question, bacho. Next question is here. It is from which chapter? It is M, bacho. It is M, right? It is M. So it is from which chapter? Tell me. This question. Chapter 1, number system. So question given 0.142857 dot. So express in the form of m by n, then the value of 2m plus n is how much? First you express this in m by n form, then you find what is 2m plus n. What is 2m plus n? Pakka? Sure? Very good. Now, bacho, tell me, this is a recurring decimal? Yeah, non-terminating, non-repeating. Why it is recurring? Which one is repeating? Which one is repeating? Check for everyone. 1425857 is repeating, right? So means you can write this is 0.1425857 bar. So how can you express it in P by Q form? How? You have to choose bacho, that is x. X. Let x is this. Okay, done. So now tell me how many places are under bar? How many places are under bar? 6 places. So what you have to multiply? How much you have to multiply? So both side you have to multiply 10 to the power 6. 10 to the power 6 into x equals to, while multiplying here 10 to the power 6, we can write also like this 0.142857 bar, and this is equation 1. Let us solve this one. So it is how much? 10 to the power 6x equals to how much? Tell me. 142,857.142,857 bar, right? Okay, now you subtract this two. Whenever you subtract, how much you'll get? 10 to the power 6 matlab kya? 1 having how many zeros? 6 zeros. While subtracting 1 from 2, how much we will get? How many 9 you will get? 5 9, right? So 5 times 9, right? Everyone clear? So equals to x equals to how much? Let us subtract. We will get 142,857, right? So x should be how much? 142,857 by how many 9? 5 9. Okay, so if you'll cancel out, you'll get how much? X equals to 1 by 7. X equals to 1 by 7. If bacho x is 1 by 7, then tell me m by n is how much? 1 by 7. So therefore m is how much? Actually it is 1x, it should be. Okay, but m value though we have got though 1, we will take that. And n is how much? Actually this x is common multiple. It is a ratio na m by n. Actually we got 1 7. It is simplest form already. So m is 1, n is how much? 7 you can take. So therefore 2m plus n question is asking. 2 into m is how much? 1 plus n is how much? 7. So 2 plus 7 equals to 9 is the correct. हो गया? चलो solve कर दो. ठीक है? Everyone solve it. Repeat. Yeah. Yeah, so you might, because you have solved this question number of times now, this matlab number. That's why you know what is the value of that, right? 0.142857 bar is 1 by 7. It's very good if you remember easily. You can use this is a normally kya MCQ question. Done. Okay. Over. Solved everyone. Okay. Let us move to the next question. So this question का answer क्या है? 9 everyone. Done. चलो let us move to the next question. बच्चों solve करो ये वाला question. ठीक है. Here question is asking to find a and b. If two rational number, then you will find a b, and after that you have to find a square plus b square. Let us solve. Let me see who will give first answer. Okay. I'm expecting from online answers. मैथमेटिक्स चल रहा है बच्चों. कोई लिख रहा है सर कौन सा सब्जेक्ट चल रहा है? मैथमेटिक्स. मैथमेटिक्स चल रहा है. ठीक है. आरती. ओके. ठीक है बच्चों. चलो सॉल्व करो. ठीक. ठीक है ना. ओवर. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू कंप्लीटेड दिस वन? हो गया. अरे वाह, बहुत अच्छी बात है. व्हाट इज आंसर? आंसर क्या है? बोलो बोलो आंसर क्या है? इमीडिएटली आंसर दे दो. लेट मी चेक हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू गिवन करेक्ट आंसर. फ्रॉम ऑनलाइन आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग आंसर, राइट बच्चों? आंसर. Vijay Lakshmi Mahdi, you have got 7 plus 4 root 3. Which one? A square plus b square. A square plus b square is 7 plus 4 root 3. Which one you have got? A square plus b square. Yeah, Ankit has given 65 answer. Is that 65? Okay, let us check. Let us check, right? Okay. Now see, bacho, though it is given to find a square plus b square, what you have to do? First, you rationalize this. Okay. You know the rationalizing factor of a minus root b ka. Rationalizing factor क्या है? A plus root b. A plus root b is rationalizing factor. So this is here concept used. A minus root b equals to its conjugate or rationalizing factor क्या है? A plus root b. Another one also used. You can check बच्चों. A square plus b square value क्या है? A square plus b square value. A plus b whole square minus 2ab. Just remember this. You may use directly if you'll get what? Which one? B value. Okay, understand? Okay. Now check karo. So if a minus root b is there, so we can multiply a plus root b. Hence here 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3 is given. So what is the rationalizing factor? We have to multiply 2 plus root 3. 2 plus root 3 by 2 plus root 3. While multiplying, we will get on numerator is what? A whole square here, perfect square, right? And on denominator, a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b. Kya? A minus b into a plus b. Kya? A square minus b square. Remember this, right? So that is 2 square minus root 3 square. Okay, बच्चों? So now check करो. 2 plus root 3 का whole square क्या है? 2 square plus root 3 square plus 2 into 2 root 3 divided by 2 square is how much? 4. 4 minus 3, right? 2 square is 4 plus 3 plus 2 to the 4 root 3 by divided by 1. So that is 7 plus 4 root 3 is which one? Which one? This left part. Left part. It means if the left part is 7 plus 4 root 3, as per the question, given 2 plus root 3, 2 plus root 3 divided by 2 minus root 3 equals to a plus b root 3. Hence, if we'll equate this value, right, we will get 7 plus 4 root 3 equals to a plus b root 3. Hence, check karo. Second term kya hai? Root 3 wala term. So here also root 3 term. Done. So therefore, a is how much? 7. B is how much? 4. Done. So now question is asking a square plus b square. A square plus b square is what? You can add that 7 plus 4, a plus b whole square minus 2. A plus b is how much? 7 plus 4 na? Okay. That is AB we have to multiply. So it is 7 plus 4 whole square minus 2 into 7 into 4. 7 into 4, right? So it is 11 square minus how much? 56. 56 na? So that is 121 minus 56, which is 65. 65 is the answer. Okay? Yeah, done? No doubt. Chalo. Let us move to the next question. If it is over, everyone, over completed all. Tick. Chalo. Next question. Yeah, this is what NCERT example question. The equation x equals to 7 in two variables can be written as. Okay? Are you solving, everyone? Any doubt? Tell me. Okay, going smoothly, everyone. Okay. Now see, given equation x equals to 7 in two variable can be written as in two variable. A linear equation in one variable. How to write in two variable? First, tell me, everyone, do you know a linear equation in two variable standard form kya hai? Ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Done. And while writing a linear equation in one variable, standard form kya hai? Ax plus b equals to 0. How to write this one in this form? In this form, though it is in one variable, one more variable required to write a linear equation in one variable into two variable, right, everyone? So how we'll write? Ax plus, understand, b is here what? Constant. Here we have to write the 0 into y plus b equals to 0. Equals to 0. It is a standard form. We have written the standard form in two variable, one variable in terms of two variable. So as per the question, check karo x equals to 7. X equals to 7. X equals to 7 kya hai? Linear equation in one variable. So is it possible to write bachcho like this way? X plus 0 into y equals to 7 equals to, is it there? Which one? X means what? 1 into x means coefficient of x is how much? 1. Coefficient of y? 0. So while writing linear equation in one variable in terms of two variable, which coefficient is not given? Not given means which variable is not there, you'll write that one's coefficient kya hai? 0. Done? Chalo, likh do. Answer kya hai? Which one? Option B. Not A. Here the 1 has been multiplied, right? Everyone, ठीक है? चलो, let us move to the next question. हो गया क्या? ठीक? Everyone, over? चलो. Next, the equation y equals to k in two variable can be written as similarly. Here y given, there given which one? X. Now, how can you write? So, x part you have to multiply 0. So, 0 into x, which one check karo? 0 into x into 1 into y equals to k. This is option D is correct, right? It is same as the previous question. Question number 6. It is 7. It is question number 8. Chalo, solve karo and tell me the answer immediately. Let me see who is giving first quickly. Chalo, solve karo. And whoever will solve, I'll take the name immediately. ठीक है? ठीक. Okay, ready everyone? Tell me. Okay, बच्चों, have you started or not? Tell me. Okay, ready everyone? Over this question. So check karo the parking charges of a car. The parking charges of a car in parking lot is 50 rupees for the first 2 hours. Have you seen parking lot, parking area? So while parking a car, for first 2 hour charge is what? 50 rupees. 50 rupees. Question is given 50 rupees. Clear? For the first 2 hour and 20 rupees per hour for subsequent hour. Means let us a person has kept his car in a parking lot for 2 hours. He has to pay after 2 hours how much rupees? 50 rupees. But after 2 hours, every subsequent hour means let us a person has kept for 3 hours. Kept for 3 hours. For first 2 hours, for first total 3 hours, out of 3 hours, 3 hours divided into in which way 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1. For first 2 hour charge is how much? 50 rupees plus 20 rupees. Understood? Let us a person kept for 7 hours. Kept for 7 hours. So 2 5 2 5. 2 hour charges is how much? 50. 5 hour charges is how much? 5 into 20. So total charge is how much? 50 plus 20 into 5 is how much? 100. So that is how much? 150 rupees in this way. Right, everyone? Okay. So the above statement can be expressed in a linear equation as which one? As which one? Okay. Let us, we will do one thing. Let a person kept the car in a parking lot for X hour. Kept for how many hour? X hour. Right. And he had paid how much? Y rupees. Paid how much? Bolo? Y rupees. Clear? So how to express that? Got it? Clear? So total parking time is how much? X hour. We have to split X in which? In 2 hour and X minus 2 hour. 2 hour charge is how much? 2 hour charge is how much? Bolo? 50 rupees. Done? Plus this subsequent time, for subsequent time 20 into X minus 2. That is equals to what? Y. Total charge. Total charge. So it would be what? 50 plus 20x minus how much? 40 equals to Y. So therefore it would be 20x minus 40 minus y equals to 0. 20x minus y minus 40 equals to 0. This, which one? Oh, 50 is there. Just. So now it is what? 20x minus y, 50 minus 40. 50 minus 40 is how much? Plus 10 equals to 0. So therefore answer, if in this way you can solve, another way is also there. Is it there in option? Check karo. 20x minus y plus 10 equals to z equals to 0. So this option is correct. This is a condition. Another condition what could be? Instead of x, if we take time y and total amount is how much paid? X rupees. That is also be a condition. If it was not there, then we should check for that. Are you getting my point? Means I have taken here what? X time, total cost is how much? Y. You could have taken what? Y hour and the total cost. Total cost equals to how much? X rupees. Clear? But though it is there in this way, so we have chosen this. Clear, everyone? I hope clear, everyone. Okay, solve kar do. Okay, means total time period X hour kept that car in parking lot and total cost given is how much? Y rupees. So therefore 2 hour, first 2 hour cost is 50 rupees and the remaining hour cost 20 rupees per hour. 20 rupees per hour. So for x minus 2 hour, 20 into x minus 2 rupees. Are you getting my point, everyone? So 50 plus 20x minus 40 equals to y. This is 2 bacho, x minus 2. This is x minus 2. Okay. So 50 plus 20x minus 40 equals to y. So 20x minus y, 50 minus 40 is 10 equals to 0. Done, everyone. Solve kar do. Check karo. Okay. Check, check. Over. ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है. Okay, ready everyone? Let us move to the next question. Ready? Chalo. Now this is a case-based question. Case-based question. Pado. While you are getting case-based question, what you have to do? Read carefully. Okay. Then means in exam, in math exam, I'm telling you, not only math, every subject, case-based is what mark pitching question, where you can secure easily full mark, where a single mark will not deduct if you are reading carefully. Answer is itself there, right? I think it is a similar type of question, the previous question. Okay, solve it. Solve. What happened? Why you are smiling? Tell me. Are you solving na? Somya Kabi? Like, are you getting that question? Don't write why are you writing question. You'll get from there. Okay. Or else I'll share you. Don't worry. Okay. Over. Chalo, solve karo, solve karo. Okay. Let us move to the question answer part. The monthly hostel charges for Apexia comprises 1000 per month as fixed boarding charge. Okay, so and the remaining charge at the rate of 50 rupees per day for the number for which the food has been availed by Apexa, right? Apexa is a student. The monthly charges for Apexa comprises 1000 rupees per month as fixed charge. Means hostel charge. I am writing hostel charge as HCH for hostel super charge, right? So it is comprises into two part. One is what bacho? Fixed FC, fixed charge. Another one is what? Here. What is that? Boarding charge, charge per day, charge remaining charges rate per day. So this is per day charge. Per day charge. It is fixed charge. It is per day charge. Clear? Fixed charge kitna hai bacho? 1000 rupees. Understood everyone? And per day charge is how much? 50 rupees. 50 rupees per day. Clear? Okay. Now form a linear equation in two variable to represent the above situation. Clear? Got it? Okay. Now hostel charge means a total cost. Total cost. So total cost is what? Fixed charge plus per day charge. Clear, bacho? Let us say a student is paying y rupees as hostel charge. Student is paying how much rupees? Y rupees for hostel charge. Hostel charge included into two part. One is fixed charge, other one is per day charge. Let a student, if a student is staying for X days, paying Y rupees. Are you clear? If a student staying for Y rupees, he or she has to pay how much rupees? Total Y. But Y included into two part, that is fixed charge, per day charge, per day charge. If a student is staying for X days, hostel charge we have taken how much? Y kya hai? Hostel charge I said. Hostel charge is divided into two part. One is fixed charge, that is 1000, that is fixed. If you will stay or not, once you have taken admission means you have to pay 1000 rupees, right? Everyone. Then after let the student is staying for X days, and he or she has to pay Y rupees. Y rupees. And Y is included hostel fixed charge plus per day charge. For 1 day 50 rupees, for X day how much rupees? 50x rupees. Understood? So the linear equation is what? Hostel charge is equals to fixed charge plus 15 to X, this is per day charge, equals to total. Done? Got everyone? How many of you have solved? So this is how much? Bolo then. 50x minus y plus 1000 equals to 0. This is the linear equation. Clear everyone? Bolo everyone, are you clear? Done? Chalo. Solve karo this one. Solve. Then after we are moving to the second bit. Okay. Finish this. Then after we are moving to the second bit. Online clear everyone? Tell me. Any doubt? Okay. Done. Okay, understood now. So it is fixed charge is 1000, 50 rupees is per day charge. Total cost we have taken Y while staying for X day. Okay, done. Chalo. Are babu minus Y because we are bringing Y from right side to left side. Therefore, Y has been deducted. Understood? Are you getting now? Why we have brought from right to left? It is known as transposition in linear equation. So question is actually saying represent the above situation in linear equation. Either you can keep like this y equals to 1000 plus 50x, or you can write 50x minus y plus 1000 is 0. Okay, that is clear. So it is a very conceptual question, but you will get also in class 10 this type of question. Though it is a what linear equation in two variable, but you will see in class 10 what pair of linear equation. You will get two equations. This type of question you have to solve there. Here too we are not solving, we are only representing the equation. But there we will solve. Solving means we'll find both x and y solution. Right? So are you clear everyone? Any doubt here? Online? Clear? If you are having doubt, you can text there. You're having doubt. Check. Chalo. Moving to the second bit. Find two solutions possible for equation formed. Find two solutions. How to find solution? For solution, bachcho, see this equation, this part. Though it has been written but in standard form. It is standard form. Now see, already we have written y equals to how much? 1000 plus 50x. While finding solution for a linear equation in two variable, you have to write x in terms of y or y in terms of x. Here we have written y in terms of x, y in terms of x. Then after you have to write here x, here you have to write y. Now whatever value will give to x, it will give a respective value for y. Means if x is 0, bachcho, if x is 0, what is y value? Y value क्या है? 1000. Means if a student taken admission, then after not staying in hostel, but fixed charge has to pay by the student. Understood? For a 0 day, 1000 rupees. For 1 day, question is asking for finding two solutions. For 1 day, how much rupees the student has to pay? 1000 plus 50. 1000 plus 50 is how much, bacho? 1050. 1000 plus 50 into 150, that is 1000 plus 50. Clear? Done? Chalo. Next question. What are the monthly charges to be paid by Apexia who availed meals for 21 days in a given month? Means Apexia was staying in that month for how many days? 21 days. 21 days. 21 क्या है बच्चों? X है. 21 क्या है? X. Let us put in place of X 21. 21. So 21 into 50 is how much? 21 into 50 कितना है? Means y would be 1000 plus 50 into 21. So 1000 plus 50 into 21 is how much? 1050. So therefore it would be how much? 2050. So 2050 has to be paid by Apexia for that month, in which month she was staying how many days? 21 days. Is that clear, everyone? I hope the full equation is clear, right, everyone? Chalo, move to the next question. So now see bacho, this is coming from which chapter? Polynomials. Polynomials. Solve immediately. Let us see who can do the first answer, right? I'm waiting for you answer bacho. Chalo, solve kar do. Very good beta. स्क्रीन छोटा क्यों है? स्क्रीन तो बड़ा है बेटा. स्क्रीन तो मैं 75 इंचेस लगा हूं और कैमरा भी ठीक ठाक है. ठीक है ना? चलो ठीक है, रेडी बच्चों? See the question here, given a cubic polynomial which has x minus 2 as a factor. Factor theorem you have to use. Factor theorem. Okay. And leaves remainder 3 when divided by x minus 3. Means when this one divided by x minus 2, the remainder is how much? No, 0, because it is a factor. X minus 2 case. It means this p of x divided with which one? X minus 2, as well as p of x divided with which one? X minus 3. In first case, remainder r of x I am writing is how much? 0, because it is a factor. And for this case, r of x बच्चों क्या है? That is 3. Then find the value of n. Apply करो factor theorem, right? Okay, for case 1, this is बच्चों case 1 we will take. Case 1 and this is case 2, right, everyone? So though this is a factor, what is the 0 of this polynomial? You know na? Yeah, bolo. So now case 1 I am solving bachcho. Case 1. The question is given x minus 2 is a factor. You have to equate x minus 2 with 0, where x equals to how much? 2. Let us replace p of x by 2. Means p of x bachcho equals to 0. Yes? When x is 2. For case 1, p of x equals to 0. Okay? Now tell me bachcho. So p of x kya hai? That is xq. Xq matlab how much? We should put 2q plus a into how much? That is 2 square plus b into 2 plus 6 equals to 0. Where 2q is how much? 2q how much? 8. 8 plus 4a plus 2b plus 6 equals to 0. Done. Now बच्चों बोलो 4a plus 2b equals to 6 plus 8 क्या है? Minus 14 लिखो. Okay, or plus 14 equals to 0 I am writing. Done. Now I'm continuing case 1 here also. This implies, check karo na bachcho, we can take na common here 2. We can take common 2. So that is 2 into 2a plus b plus 7 equals to 0. So therefore bachcho 2a plus b plus 7 also equals to 0. This is our number 1 equation. This is our number 1 equation. Any problem here? Tell me. Okay, no problem. Let us move to solve case 2. Case 2. Case 2 is saying what बच्चों? This one while dividing with x minus 3, remainder क्या है? Remainder is 3. Remainder is 3. Yes, this is case 2. It means बच्चों, though divisor is x minus 3, let us equate, find the x value. X value क्या है? 3. X value क्या है? 3. Hence for case 2, p of x equals to how much? 3 while replacing by 3. Done everyone. So this implies p of x matlab 3q plus a into 3 square plus b into 3 plus 6 equals to 3. So which implies 3q क्या है? 27 plus 9a plus 3b plus 6 equals to 3. So this implies बच्चों बोलो, tell me, 9a plus 3b, 27 plus 6 is how much? 33. 33 equals to 3. Hence 9a plus 3b plus 33 minus 3. 33 minus 3. Check karo dhyan se. 33 minus 3. 3 will come left side, so it will become minus 3. So 33 minus 3 is how much? 30 equals to 0. Clear? Again we can take common here. We can take common. Common क्या है? Common क्या है? 3 is common. So 3 3s are 9 plus b plus 10 equals to 0. So therefore 3a plus b plus 10 equals to 0. Got it everyone? Clear? Now what we will do, let us find here b value and we will replace in equation 1. Let us find b here. But your b value would be how much? Is that clear? Is that clear? This is number 2 equation. We got b value minus 10 minus 3a, minus 10 minus 3a. Let us replace b in equation 1. We got b value in equation 2. B is also there in equation 1. Let us replace. So from equation 1, you'll write from equation 1, you'll get बच्चों 2a plus b. b value क्या है? Minus 10 and minus 3a plus 7 equals to 0. Hence, बोलो बच्चों क्या है? 2a minus 3a. Minus है, minus 10 plus 7 is how much? Minus 3 na? Equals to 0. Hence, a equals to how much? Minus 3. Is that clear? Check karo. 2a plus minus 10 plus 7. Minus 3, 2a minus 3 is minus a, minus a minus 3 is 0. So a equals to how much? 3. Is that clear everyone? A is how much? Minus 3. But b also we have to find. Question is asking to find what is a and b. Have you got b? What is b value? b value क्या है? बोलो. So similarly from equation 2, b equals to, from equation 2 check करो, from equation 2 b equals to minus 10 minus 3 into minus 3. Done बच्चों? So minus 10 plus 9 equals to minus 1. B is minus 1. Done everyone? Okay. So A is minus 3, B is minus 1. This is the answer of this question. Right? Note it down. Okay. Check karo. So while solving question, you have to read carefully what is question asking. Check karo. After reading, I have written case 1, case 2. Then I have worked for case 1, case 2. Understood? Then whenever you get 2 question, what you have to do? You have to find one variable in terms of other variable. Like B, I found in terms of A. Then by replacing, I have got this. ठीक है ना? चलो solve कर दो. ठीक है? Online? Okay, over everyone, tell me. ठीक है. Done. Let us move to the next question. Moving. Next, check the equation 2x plus 5y equals to 7 has unique solution if x and y are what? So it is a question from NCERT example. You can see what the equation 2x plus 5y equals to 7 has a unique solution if x and y are what? So unique you will get whenever it is natural number, because though it is a linear equation in two variable, it is having how many solutions? How many solutions? Infinite solutions, right? Though it is having but infinite solution, but for unique, but for natural number you will get only unique, and rest of the solutions comes from where? Real number. Okay, clear? Chalo. So answer is here, which one? That is natural number. Done. Let us move to the next question. Okay, chalo solve karo. It is a case study question also, bacho. It is a case study question. You can solve this. So it is coming from which chapter? Tell me. Which chapter? Chapter 4. That is from linear equation. Okay. Read the question. Is this visible clearly? Okay. Checker, which one is the correct answer? Okay. So first you write this in linear equation, then after solve this accordingly. Okay. So question is given here: on his birthday, Mr. Sharma planned that this time he will celebrate his birthday in a small orphan center, right? Got the answer? Okay. Let us see. He bought apples to give to the children and adults working there. Mr. Sharma donated 3 apples to each children and 2 apples to each adult working there, along with birthday cake. He distributed 160 total apples. On the basis of above information, answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Clear? Now check karo, what is the data given? Mr. Sharma donated how many apples? 3 apples to each children. Clear? And 2 apples to each adult working there, along with birthday cake. Okay, so three apples to whom? Bolo, children. And for how many? Two apples. Two apples to whom? Bolo, adults. Okay, adults. So here total how many distributed? 160 total apple. On this above information, answer the following question. Represent the above situation in a linear equation in two variable by taking the number of children x. Number of children बच्चों क्या है? X. Number of adult क्या है? Y. Done. So what is the equation? बोलो. 3x plus 2y equals to 160. Is that clear? Tell me, everyone. Done. ठीक है कि नहीं? 3x plus 2y equals to 160. Okay. So this is the which one? This is the linear equation which is in two variables. Okay. Then if the number of children is 40, if the number of children is 40, then find the number of adults. Then find the number of adults. Okay, everyone. So number of children means x value given 40. So who can say what is the value of y? Y kya? Y 20. Got online? Tell me. Have you got y value? Everyone? Yeah. What happened? You are not getting. Why? So x is 40 means replace x by 40. So this is how much? 40 into 3. How much is that? 120 plus 2y equals to 160. So this implies 2y equals to 160 minus 120. So y equals to how much? 160 minus 120. That is kya? 40 na? 40 by 2. So therefore y equals to 20. Y equals to 20. Done, everyone. X is how much? 40. Y is 20. Done, everyone. Chalo solve kar do. And then which one? Number third bit. Third bit kya hai? If the number of adult is 20, then find the number of children. 40. Okay. And which one means this is answer for which bit? Third bit na? The second bit. 20. If the number of adult is 20, adult already we have got, then children is what? 40 answer. If x is 5, y is 0, solution of the equation 3x plus 5y equals to b. And find the value of b. b मिल गया? b is how much? So let us replace. ये तो 0, बस ये 0 हो गया. 5, 3, 15. b is 15 here. b is 15. Done, everyone? Done? चलो ठीक है. Yeah. Let us moving to second question. Next question. Hey, what happened? Next question check karo. In Heron's formula, S is equals to how much? What is the value of S? It is option C, right? Here, S value all of you know. S is already we have discussed from the beginning of the class. S is perimeter by 2, that is A plus B plus C by 2. Done. Next, the area of triangle with sides 5 cm, 12 cm and 13 cm. In length is what? In length is what? ठीक है? चलो solve करो. Area of the triangle whose three sides given. Very simple question, right? So you have to find area by which formula? Which formula? Heron's formula. Okay, solve कर दो फटाफट. Which one? 30, 30, 30. Actually, Bacho, if you use your brain, you'll see this 5, 12, 13 is a what? Pythagorean triplet. Pythagorean triplet. If Pythagorean triplet means it will form a what? right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Very simple therefore. Right? Pythagorean triplet. So this is what? A, B, C. If this is 5, 12, then this would be definitely 13. So right angle matlab half into base into directly you can write half into base into height, that is 2, 6, 12. Therefore 30 cm square. 30 cm square. Is that clear everyone? Understood? ठीक है चलो सॉल्व कर दो ठीक हो गया बच्चों बोलो next question move on to the next question बच्चों number of times area change when side of a triangle are doubled area what the area will be changed okay check karo how number of times the area changed when sides of a triangle are doubled double okay let us do one thing for a equilateral triangle we'll take and we'll check clear for equilateral triangle we'll check so similarly it will for all triangle done now see whenever we take a equilateral triangle so all sides are what a equal a I have taken let me do one thing I will draw another triangle whose sides are double whose sides are double means 2a 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 done ठीक है बच्चों what is the area of this triangle root 3 by 4 a square side square a मतलब क्या है side square so that is root 3 by 4 a square is what area of the first triangle done second triangle whose sides has been double so it would be how much root 3 by 4 into side square side क्या है 2a square ठीक है ना so therefore it will become how much root 3 by 4 into 2 square is how much 4 into a square ठीक है now check करो this root 3 look at here let me change your color you can understand it can be written as root 3 by 4 a square into 4 we can write or not tell me but बच्चों this root 3 by 4 a square value क्या है area of first triangle so therefore area of second triangle equals to 4 into area of first triangle done everyone 4 into first triangle so how many times 4 times answer clear everyone ठीक है ना चलो let us moving to the next question if you have completed check करो बच्चों check करो okay next question the area of an equilateral triangle with side it is a question from NCERT exemplar so the area of equilateral triangle with side 2 root 3 centimeter is how much check करो which one ठीक है let us see the area of equilateral triangle you know how much that is root 3 by 4 a square okay so here side क्या है ए वैल्यू क्या है? A value 4 into root 3 square is how much? 3. So therefore 4 cancel. 3 into root 3 value, 3 into root 3 is how much? 1.732. Done. So check karo 3 to how much? 6. 3 3 9. 3 7 how much? 21. 2 carried. 3 1 is 3 plus 2. 5.196. 5.196 is the answer. Right everyone? Chalo, check karo. Moving to the next question, bachcho. Next question solve karo. Area of isosceles triangle, a right triangle having each of equal side A. Having each of equal sides A. Which one? Previous one you have not solved. Solve karo. Check. Chalo, solve karo. Over this is over. Chalo. Area of isosceles triangle. Area of isosceles triangle formula क्या? Area of isosceles, triangle equals to, below what is? A by 4 square root of 4b square minus a square. Where in isosceles triangle, if the equal sides are A and base is B, we have to use this concept whenever question is asking for which triangle? Isosceles triangle. Right everyone? Chalo. So given the area of a right triangle, right angled isosceles triangle, so right angle means so it is so easy. Okay, whose equal sides are given? A unit. Okay, it is not required here. Okay, so what we have to write? Half into base into height. Here both are same. Half into A, that is A square by 2. A square by 2. Which one? Clear everyone? Chalo, solve kar do. Over? Understood na? हाँ. ठीक. चलो. Next, moving to the next question. See the next question. Next question check करो. Solve करो next question. It is which chapter? It is coming from which chapter? Tell me. Heron's formula, and that to be it is a which type of question? Case based question. Okay, here the given figure given here. Okay, figure given, according to the figure you have to answer this. Done. चलो solve करो. Check करो. The sides of a rectangular park 20 meter and 30 meter, means it is a rectangular park whose sides are 20 meter and 30 meter given. A small triangular area of side 8 meter, 10 meter and 6 meter respectively is to be left out at the park for growing flowering plants. Okay, small triangular field is there where plants are growing, right? The remaining area is be planted with natural grasses. What is the semi perimeter of the triangle for above measurement? Semi perimeter, you know, perimeter by 2. What is how much? मिल गया. चलो फाइंड करो. First write what is, let us, this is the triangle. Which one is the triangle? Check करो बच्चों. This is the triangle, that is A, B, C. Done. Check करो. 20 and 30 क्या है? 20 is the length and the breadth. 20 is the breadth and length of the park given. So this is 8, 10 and 6 meter. Which one is the triangle is given? Is to be left out at the park for growing flowering plants, right? Semi perimeter मिल गया. S equals to, you know, A plus B plus C by 2. That is S equals to 8 plus 10 plus 6 by 2. That is how much? Bolo. 24 by 2, that is 12 meters. Done. And then which one? Find the area used for growing flowering plants. Find the area used for growing flowering plants. So what is that? 24. Find the area of the growing. So you have to find the area. Okay. Area by Heron's formula. Find. Already we have solved 2-3 questions based on that. Then if the cost of planting flowering plant is 5.50 per meter square, find the total cost of planting the flower plants. Cost is asking. Okay. So what is the area you have got? Area kya hai? Area of the triangle. Area is how much? 24. 24 meter square, right? By Heron's formula, बच्चों find करो ये by Heron's formula. And then if the cost of planting flowering plant is 5.50 per meter square, total cost. So total cost क्या है? Total cost equals to area into cost per meter square. Area into cost per meter square. So 24 into 5.50. That would be how much? Bolo. 24 0, 24 5 is how much? 120. 0 12 carried. Then 24 5 120 plus 12 कितना है? 132 rupees. Done. 132 rupees is the cost. ठीक. Okay, solve करो. Find the area of the grass to be planted. Area of the grass means area of rectangle minus area of triangle. Area of rectangle minus area of triangle. Clear everyone? ठीक है. चलो solve कर दो. Okay. Area of grass is how much? Area of grass is how much? That is area of a rectangle minus area of triangle. So area of rectangle already given, length and breadth 13 to 20, 600 meters square minus area of triangle we have got 24. That is how much? 576 meters square. चलो सॉल्व कर दो. ठीक है. Okay. Let us moving to the next question. The linear equation 3x plus 6y equals to 9. Okay. Infinitely. So though it is a linear equation in 2 variable, you know every linear equation in 2 variable having how many solution? Infinite solution. Infinite solution. Done everyone. Take. Chalo. Moving to the next question, bachcho. If 5k is a solution for the linear equation this, then find the value of k. You know, if this is a solution, it will satisfy which one? The equation. Satisfying the equation means LHS equals to RHS. Chalo banao. Solve karo. This is a solution for this question. Solution for this question. Solution for this question means you have to write LHS of the equation. LHS of the equation क्या है? 2x plus y minus 6. X value given question. X is how much? 5. Y value क्या है? K minus 6. 10 plus k minus 6. So that is 4 plus k equals to what? 0. Equals to 0 na. So though it is satisfying, so we have to write it is also equals to 0. Why? This is a solution given. So no need to write here LHS also. We will not write LHS. Directly we'll write the equation equals to 0. We have to write. Okay, whenever we verify, that time we'll take LHS, RHS. But it is already given ki it is a solution, so only we have to put and we'll get the value of k. K is minus 4. K is minus 4. चलो solve करो. ठीक है? चलो. ठीक. Next question. This is a class 8. 8 question. You have studied, might be studied in class 8. It is a class 8 question. Let me see how many of you can solve. Okay. But there you have studied what? Oh, the one you have not solved. Okay, solve now. Solve. Okay. Take. Solve करो. ये वाला. Completed? हाँ. ठीक है. चलो. Next question. See this. The sum of two-digit number and the number often by reversing the order of its digit is 121, and unit tens digit given. Unit digit is x and tens digit is what? Y respectively. Then write the linear equation representing the above statement. Clear, bachcho? So now thing is what? You should know how to write the expanded form of a two-digit number. How can you write? 10x plus y. It is the expanded form of a two-digit number. For example, if I am telling you what 32, how can you write in expanded form? 10 into 3 plus 2, expanded form. Similarly, here x is given bacho unit place, so it should be actually, though given here x is unit digit, so it should be 10y, because y is tens digit. Y is tens digit plus x is unit digit. As per this question, this is 10y plus x. 10y plus x means the number should be written in this form, but though it is variable, while writing it should be looking like y is multiplied with x. That's why we will not write yx form. We have to write in which form? We have to write in this expanded form. Got it? Clear? The sum of the two-digit number and the number often by reversing the order is 121. What is saying question? Check karo. Padho. The sum of a two-digit number and the number often by reversing the order. Reversing the order matlab we will write x in tens place, y in unit place. Now y is in which place? Y is in which place? Let us, I am writing here tens and unit. Tens and unit. If y is at tens, x is at unit. So number क्या है? Number क्या है? बोलो. Number क्या है? Number is 10y plus x. And when x is at tens place, x is at tens place, and y is at unit place, what is the number? 10x plus y. 10x plus y. So question is saying, so the sum of two-digit number and the number often by reversing the order means 10y plus x plus 10x plus y. It is reversing number. If it is the number, it is the reversing number. The sum is how much? 1 to 1. Write the linear equation from the above situation. So chalo likh do kya? 10y plus x plus 10x plus y equals to 121. So 10y plus y is how much? 11y plus 11x equals to 1 to 1. So therefore 11x plus 11y equals to 1 to 1. Therefore x plus y equals to 1 to 1 by 11. Clear? We have taken common 11. So x plus y is how much? 11. This is the linear equation. This is the linear equation. Is that clear, everyone? Again, clear now? Chalo, लिख दो. Write this. ठीक है. Solve. Okay, finish karo, then after we'll move to the next question, right? Everyone? Clear, everyone? Clear? Chalo, moving to the next question. What this is? Chalo, solve karo ye wala question. Solve karo. This is. Given y equals to minus x is of the form, which form? Is this a linear equation? Why not? Linear equation in which variable? Two variable. It is a linear equation, bachcho. ठीक है? So if y equals to minus x means if x is 1, y is how much? If x is 1, y equals to minus x. If we'll draw the solution table, so this is x, this is y. If x1, y is minus 1. If x2, y is minus 2. If x is minus 1, y is plus 1, like this way. Okay. So which option is correct? Is A, is it correct? It is not correct. Minus a plus a means if x is minus a, y is how much? Minus x, that is minus of minus a, minus of minus a, that is plus a, that is plus a. Done, everyone? Chalo solve karo aur kya. So which one is correct? Option B is correct. Option B is correct. Done. लिख दो. ठीक है. ठीक है बच्चों. Now let us move to next question. Question क्या है? This. Any solution of linear equation? 4x plus 0y plus 10 equals to 0 in two variable is of the form. Which form? Which form? Have you solved the previous question? Okay. So now it is a linear equation. How many variable? It is given in two variable, but y coefficient क्या है बच्चों? 0. If y coefficient is 0, y value could be anything. Y value could be anything. Don't worry for that. But what about x? What about x? X क्या है? Check करो. Y value can be anything. Y value can be anything. Anything means any real number. We can take. So therefore, while solving this question, what we have to do? 4x plus 0y plus 10 equals to 0. So 4x equals to minus 10. So therefore, x equals to minus 10 by 4. This implies x equals to how much? Minus 5 by 2. Clear? Everyone, tell me. Okay, so if x is minus 5 by 2, check which option. Do you think x will become 0? X already fixed. So this case x is 0, 0, it is not the answer. And this is not the answer. Okay, why? 5 by 2, 5 by 2, 5 by 2. This is minus 5 by 2. This is okay. So which one is correct? Option. Done. Okay. Chalo. Over this is everyone. Next question. Next question solve karo. Huh? Option B. How? Because both the value magnitudes are same but different sign is there, so definitely. Okay, minus 2 plus 2 kya hai? 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. Hence, x plus y is 0 is the correct answer. Clear? Everyone? Chalo. Let us move to the next question. Next question is x equals to 3 and y equals to 1 is the solution of the linear equation. Which equation? Means to which one it is satisfied. Now you have to verify LHS and RHS. Okay, LHS and RHS. Check karo. Check karo everyone. Fatapat. Option C. Others check karo. Check karo everyone. X equals to 3 and y equals to 1 is the solution of the linear equation. Which one? Is the solution of the linear equation. Which one? Bolo. Option C. That means it is satisfying LHS and RHS. Check karo. X is 3. X is 3 and y is 1. Let us come to the first option. Check karo. 3 3 is how much? 9 and 4. 9 4 is 13. So it is not the answer. Right? Option B. 8 3 is how much? 24 plus 5. 24 plus 5 is how much? 29. So this is not the answer. Now 8 3 24 plus 5 29 is the correct answer. Done everyone? Tick. Chalo. Next question. Y equals to x plus 4t. Then the value of t when x equals to 4 and y equals to 12. Okay? If y equals to x plus 4t, then the value of t when x equals to 4 and y equals to 12 is what? Which one? Who is the answer? Okay. T value is asking bacho, t value, okay? T value check karo. So if y equals to x plus 4t, where x is 4, let us replace y and x. 12 equals to 4 plus 4t, which is 12 minus 4 equals to 4t. So 12 minus 4 is what? 12 minus 4 kya hai? 8. 8 equals to 4t. Hence, t equals to 8 by 4. That is t equals to 2. T equals to 2. What happened? You completed na? Chalo. T equals to 2. Okay. Moving to the next question. Next question. Each side of equilateral triangle is 4 centimeter long. Then the height of the triangle is what? Equilateral triangle ka height formula kya hai? Height kya hai? Height formula. Root 3 by 2 into a. A is what? 4. So therefore, root 3 by 2 into a kya? A is 4. So 2 to cancel. 2 root 3 is the answer. 2 root 3 is the answer. Understood? So write the height formula for equilateral triangle. For which triangle? Equilateral triangle. Already you have written previously, I think. But still you write while solving beside the question, you write the formula. Okay. So you can do this. Okay. Check. Okay. Over. Next question. Moving to the next question, right? Everyone. Done na? Chalo. This is question what? The perimeter of a triangle is 50 centimeter. One side of the triangle is 4 centimeter longer than the smaller side, and the third side is 6 centimeter less than twice the smaller side, find the area of the triangle. Find the area of the triangle. Okay? Chalo, chal karo. Okay, over everyone. Bolo. The perimeter of a triangle is 50 centimeter. Perimeter of the triangle is 50 centimeter. Okay, बच्चों? Perimeter मतलब क्या है? A plus B plus C is how much? 50 given. And one side of the triangle is 4 centimeter longer than the smaller side. So let the smaller side be is what? Let the smaller side equals to x. Okay, bacho? Here. So then that side is one side. Other side would be how much? Other side would be how much? Bolo. X plus 4. X plus 4. Done. Next is saying, and that side, that other side is how many? And the third side is 6 centimeter less than the twice of the smaller side. Okay, third side is what? That means it is smaller. It is first side we can take first one, and then third side. Third side equals to. Third side क्या है? Check करो. Oh, smaller than the third side is 6 centimeter less than the twice of the smaller side. Twice of minus 6. 6 less from twice of the third side. Done. Okay. So these are the three sides. These are the three sides. Find the area of the triangle. First AC is how much? Bolo. Hey, AC क्या है? AC is 50 by 2, 25. ठीक है कि नहीं? Now X. Hey, S also you know what? Sum of three side. Sum of three side. So x plus 4 plus 2x minus 6 equals to 25. Now x plus x is how much? 2x plus 2x is how much? 4x minus how much? 2 equals to 20. Then, so now 4x equals to, which one? Oh, perimeter is 50, 50 given. Means we have to divide here 2. Semi-perimeter. Okay, na? We have to divide by how much? 2. So 2 is multiplied 50. We have to find x value. X is how much? 50 by 4. Now find the area. Wait, are you getting it? Clear? So S minus A is how much? Bolo. We have got x. So now smaller side. Let me take the smaller side as what? X, that is 50 by 4. Second side is how much? X plus 4, that is 50 by 4 plus, hey, what happened? What happened? Huh? The time over or what? So let's see, look at here. So this is what? 50 plus how much? 8 by 4, that is 58 by 4. Done. Got na? And third side is how much? 2x minus 6. So 2 into 50 by 4 minus 6. So this is 100 by 4 minus 6. That is 76. Na? 100 minus 24 by 4. That is how much? 76 by 4. So this is how much? 2. How much? 38 by 2. Also it can be cancelled. Na? How much will get? 19. 19. So three side you have got. Now you can find the area of the triangle. Area of triangle by which formula? Heron's formula. Apply the Heron's formula. Let me see how many of you can find the answer. Solve karo immediately. Okay, are you solving, everyone? Check. Chalo, solve karo. What is the answer those you have got? Tell me. Oh, we have done a mistake here. Mistake. Yeah, here is the mistake, bacho. So just I'm erasing this part. Here is I have left what? Which one? The 2 1 here. Huh? So it is how much? 4x minus 2 equals to 50. So 4x equals to 52. So then x is how much? 52 by 4. So x is 13. X is 13. Done. Now find the three sides. So first side is x. We have taken x letters. And second one is how much? It is 13. And 13 plus 4. How much? 17. And third side is how much? 13 to 26. 26 minus 6, that is 20. Clear? Okay, now you can find s into s minus a. Okay, so area of triangle, square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where s is how much? S is how much? 25. Check 25 into 25 minus a. 25 minus 13. 25 minus 13 is 12 into 25 minus 17 is 8. 25 minus 20 is 5. It's square root. So therefore 5 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 3 into how many 2's? Triple 2's into 5. So then after check 5 into 5 is how much? 5. One pair. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So therefore we will write 2 2's. Okay, and square root of how much? 3 into 2 into 5. That is 5 for 20 root 30. 20 root 30 सेंटीमीटर ना, सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर यूनिट लिख दो. ठीक है? क्लियर? चलो, डन. चलो, let us move to, if over this is, if not right, what happened? What are you doing? Are you solving? Show me your copy. You're solving now. Not done. You're not writing anything, right? Completed. Which one? Means directly how can you find?
Instead of dividing by 2,
equals to 50 you can write. Equals to 50. I have taken here though s na. That's why I have divided 2. Got it? Because AS is sum of 3 side by 2. That's why. Then directly you can write perimeter is 50. Perimeter means what? Sum of 3 side. Sum of 3 side. Here main thing is what? Writing the sides in this form. This one. X plus 4, 2x minus 6. Then rest what? By Heron's formula you have to solve. Are you getting now? Over? Chalo. The sides of a triangle is this, and area also given, but you find the x value. Sides of triangle given, area given, find x value. Okay? Chalo, solve kar do. The sides of a triangle are x plus 1, 2x minus 1. 3 sides given as well as area given. You have to find x value. How? How? Bolo? Very good. First you find what's your semi-perimeter, then by Heron's formula. Okay, then equate you'll get. Okay? Chalo, solve karo, solve karo. Done. Okay. Check करो, the sides of the triangle given. Find S. S क्या है? S is how much? Sum of 3 side by 2. Okay, right. S is बच्चों क्या है? Sum of 3 side means x plus 1 plus 2x minus 1 by 2. So x plus x is how much? Have you got x plus x, 2x plus 2x, 4x, 1 to cancel, 4x by 2, that is 2x. S is 2x. What is its area? Area given, area also given, we will discuss this is later. Let us find out first. Now tell me about your S minus A is how much? S minus x, that is 2x minus x. How much? X. S minus B. S minus B is how much? S minus B value क्या है? X plus 1 you have to write inside bracket because before that which sign is there? Minus sign is there. So S minus x minus 1. Therefore 2x minus x minus 1, that is 2x minus x is how much? X minus 1. S minus which one? B. S minus C. S minus C is how much? S minus C value क्या है? C value क्या है? 2x minus 1. Hence बच्चों S minus 2x plus 1. Done. S value डालो 2x minus 2x plus 1. Hence 1. 3 side we have got. 3 sides are what? Check करो. X minus 1, 1. 3 sides. Area formula. Area क्या है? Area क्या है बोलो? What is area formula? Area क्या है formula? Area formula क्या है? हाँ? Area given, first you write this side also. Area of triangle given how much? X into root 10, x into root 10 means बच्चों this value ना s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c equals to x root 10, here square root, here square root. Then let us squaring both sides, squaring. Okay, let us first put the value of which one, s value क्या है, s value is 2x into s minus is how much, x into s minus b is how much, x minus 1, s minus c is how much, 1 equals to x root 10, both sides square root है कि नहीं. Let us multiply, how much we will get, 2x square into x minus 1 square root x root 10. Squaring both sides, while squaring both sides this square root will be removed. What will be left, 2x square into x minus 1 equals to x square into 10. ये रूट भी रिमूव हो जाएगा कि नहीं बोलो, while squaring. So x का स्क्वायर क्या है, x square. Done. So therefore बच्चों 2x square into x क्या है, 2x cube minus 2x square equals to 10x square. Hence how much, 2x cube equals to 10x square plus x square, how much, 12 x square. Done बच्चों. Let us, actually here two value might you'll get. Okay, so let us, what we will divide x square, ठीक है. So you'll get ना x cube by x square equals to 12 by 2. That implies x equals to 6. X equals to 6. One more value we will get if we take x square as common. Okay, so how can we solve, I'm showing you that one also. How can we solve, I'm also showing you that one. Check karo. Means after this check karo. After getting na this one or this one, this step, come here, 2x cube equals to 12x square. Let us bring 2x cube minus 12x square equals to 0 na. So therefore we can take common 2x square as common. So what will be left, bolo, x minus 6 na, x minus 6 equals to 0. Hence 2x square equals to 0 as well as x minus 6 equals to 0. So x value क्या है, 0, 0 by 2 is 0 square root, and x क्या है, 6. Done. But 0 we cannot take. If we take 0 then side will be 0. Length of the side क्या है, 0, then triangle will not form. So we have to consider which one, x as 6. Got it? X value is 6. Visible? Okay. Are you clear how x we have got 0? Clear? So because I have taken which one, 12x square from right side to left side, that is transposition of linear equation. Then taken 2x square common. So after taking from 2x cube 2x square left x, from 12x square after taking 2x square left what, 6 equals to 0, right? Now tell me a into b equals to 0 मतलब क्या है, a into b equals to 0 मतलब क्या है, either a is 0 or b is 0, otherwise how the product will become 0, so from both of you one must be 0, so therefore we don't know which one will be 0, so we have considered either this or that. That's why I have equated 2x square equals to 0 and x minus 6 equals to 0. So x is 0, x equals to 6. Got it everyone? Clear? Chalo, solve kar do. So after, instead of solving this one here, you can write directly there. Means after this you can write 2x cube equals to 12 x square, then you can solve that one now. Okay, done. Now question is asking value of x. We got now value of x. How much we have got? 6. Done everyone? Chalo, solve kar do. Okay, solve it. Over? Everyone understood all? Tell me. एरिया हाँ अरे बाबू रे वी हैव स्क्वायर ना बोथ साइड वी हैव स्क्वायर 10 is only under root but x तो not under root ना so while squaring both side x is become x square and root 10 is become 10 and this side while squaring root over is removed. Hmm.
X cube is 2.
Hmm.
So x square is 12.
Hmm.
So how x cube by x square is 12 by 2? It should be 2 by 2.
Where?
So that.
Which one?
So in that squaring.
X cube equals to what? 12 by 2? Then what happened?
So you did that x cube.
See, x square is multiplied here. If I'm bringing this one will become how much? X cube by x square, and 2 is multiplied. If I'm taking that side, 12 by 2 will become or not? Or yeah, or directly also you can cancel 2 6 here x square x cube also you can 6 here. Okay. Done na? No doubt. Okay. Done. Chalo, where is doubt? Tell me. Here, how many of you are getting doubt where removing that square root? Means if I'm writing bacho square root of a equals to square root of b or square root of a equals to b. Let us I'm writing square root of a equals to b. Though it is an equation, how to remove square root? By squaring both sides. So square root का मतलब क्या है बच्चों? 1 by 2 a to the power 1 by 2. If I'm squaring, it will become a to the power 1 by 2 whole to the power 2 equals to b also I'm squaring, it will become b square. Now check करो a to the power 1 by 2 to the power 2 is how much? A to the power 1 by 2 into 2. Okay, so therefore it will become 1 by 2 into 2, that is b square. So which implies a equals to b square. A equals to b square. Clear all? Okay. Solve for them. ठीक है? हाँ? क्या? चलो. Completed all? Yes. Where is doubt? Tell me where is doubt? को बुड़ा? इड़ा s minus c. S minus c. S value you know how much? How much S value? Minus c value क्या है? 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1. Got it? Though here two terms in place of c. That's why though it is minus is there before c, hence I have written in bracket. So while opening 2x minus 2x will become or not? Minus क्या? Plus 1. Clear? So 2x cancelled. 2x minus 2x. So plus 1 is left. Got it? Put x minus 1. Oh, that is 2x minus 1. That is 2x minus 1. S minus. Oh, that is what? Again, wrong. S is 2x. S minus a is how much? X. Okay. Check here. S is how much? 2x. And S minus a is how much? X. S minus b. S minus b is how much? X minus 1 I have written. Right? You're confusing me. And 1 I have written here. It is S. This is X. S is what? 2x. Clear? This one check here. ये क्या है? S. ये क्या है? X क्या है? S minus a. We have got here S minus. Done. And x minus 1 is which one we have got? S minus b. Done. And 1 I have written for which one? S minus c. Got it? Na? You might thinking what? This is S minus a is 2x. S minus a, so we have taken x. Got it? Na? Okay. Any confusion now? Clear? Confusion over? Take. चलो solve करो. Okay. ठीक. चलो see. solve it. Then after we'll move to the next question. Okay, let us see now. Come to the next question. Is this over? Over na? Huh? ठीक है. Now check करो. See this question. Okay, an isosceles right triangle has area 8 centimeters square. The length of the hypotenuse is what? Length of hypotenuse is what? Isosceles right triangle, already we have solved like this a question. Okay, and this is a question from NCERT exemplar. Here isosceles right triangle क्या है? Isosceles मतलब two sides are equal, and which two sides? The perpendicular and base, because the hypotenuse will never be equal in case of isosceles triangle. Done. Chalo, solve kar do. What is the answer? Then after I'm going to solve a question one of the student has shared. Let me see. What is root 32? Okay. An isosceles right triangle has an area 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. Isosceles right triangle बच्चों, ठीक है ना? A, B, C. ठीक है जी? So now see, these two are equal, means length of perpendicular and bases are equal. So therefore area क्या है? Half into A into A. Area is given. Who is having doubt? Tell me. Any doubt? 8 equals to half into A square. So 8 2 क्या है? 8 2 will be multiplied this side. 8 to 16 equals to A square. So A equals to plus or minus 16 root 2 root over or 4 we can write. Okay. While finding square root, you just remember two value will get. But though here length asking, now always lengths are taken in positive. So plus 4 we have to take. A equals to plus 4. A equals to plus 4. So what is question asking? Hypotenuse. मतलब ये 4, ये कितना है? Hypotenuse equals to square root of plus b square. So square root of p value क्या है? Plus 4 square. बच्चों मैंगो प्लस मैंगो क्या है? 4 square plus 4 square क्या है? 2 4 square. 2 into 4 square. So what is the answer? 4 root 2 ना? Oh, 32 is given. Okay, ठीक है. 4 root 2 मतलब तो 32 ही हो. Okay, that is 16 into 2, 32 root. ठीक है? बस. Okay, one more question we will solve. Bus. Then after we'll wind up the class. ठीक है? The question is where? This question. This is one of the student has shared me. Okay. Okay. So in this given question, check करो. This is a kite. Okay. Kite is made up of a square and a triangle. Square and a triangle. Here one yellow, red, yellow, green, green. How many color used to prepare this kite? Tell me. 4 na? Yellow, red, green. No, 3 na? 3 types of color. 3 types of color has been used. Question is asking how much paper of each shaded is needed to make a kite given in this figure. ABCD is a square, diagonal is 44. ABCD is a square, diagonal is 44. means question is asking how much paper each shaded. Shaded means क्या shade तो कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है बच्चों, कुछ shade हुआ है क्या? I think there are 3 shade. I think this is one shade, this is, and this is. It is not shaded, but still let us solve. Let us solve and find the area of this part. I think as much as I recognize, this is a part and this is second part. Okay, this is second part and the third part is this. I think it is previously it is also there in NCERT book, though now book has been changed, it is not there, right? It is in previous exemplar. Okay, ठीक है, check करो. We have taken 3 parts, 3 shaded region. This is 1, 2, 3. Done. Now tell me, given in this question, diagonal of the square how much? 44. Diagonal of the square are 44. Do you know diagonals of the square are equal as well as bisect each other? Equal and bisect each other. Though it is bisected, see बच्चों लेंथ ऑफ AC क्या है 44 as well as BD क्या है 44. So this one would be how much? 44 by 2. This is also 44 by 22 है कि नहीं? And do you know diagonals of square bisect equal bisect at right angle, means ये वाला भी right angle है. समझ पा रहे ना, ये भी राइट एंगल. सो दो राइट एंगल वी कैन फाइंड ना दिस फर्स्ट पार्ट येलो वाला पार्ट हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट हाफ इंटू 22 into 22 that is 11 2 is how much 44 11 to 44 plus 4 44 plus 4 is how much 484 बच्चों ये वाला क्वेश्चन ये फर्स्ट येलो वाला पार्ट इज हाउ मच 484 ठीक है कि नहीं ये भी 484 ये भी 484 ये भी 484 so if it is three sided means this is one side this is one side so what is the area of ABD triangle triangle का क्या एरिया 2 into 484 2 into 484 बस फाइंड करो similarly BCD area of BCD is what 2 into 484 done now this is a isosceles triangle formula डालो isosceles triangle means it is let us this question I am writing x y ये तो c है so area of triangle XYC area of triangle XYC it is which triangle isosceles triangle formula of isosceles triangle is what
root over of 4b square minus a square
4b square minus a square a वैल्यू क्या है a मतलब equal sides oh sorry b is equal side a is base so 14 by 4 square root of 4 into b कितना है 20 square minus a क्या 14 square बस सॉल्व कर दो get the answer ठीक है okay everyone बस then you solve now okay it's almost 9:05 okay you can leave now ठीक है बच्चों okay बच्चों bye everyone सॉल्व कर दो इस क्वेश्चन ठीक है बस एनफ हो गया